Okay, Henry 22 lever action. Took this to the range when we shot it. We got some video coming up there at the end, or right after this. Just a quick little overview of it. First time we got it to the range, first time we fired it, shot like a dream. It was just a wonder to shoot. After I figured out where I was aiming. What you're going to see on film, the total video is about, probably my first 30 shots or so, something like that. We ended up putting through about 75 rounds, I think. 75 or 80, it may have been 80 rounds. And but on the video, the first, 13 or 14, can't even hardly see them. They're off, they're high into the left a little bit. I tend to push to the left. But once I'm aware of it, and I get it under control, I'm fine. But I was able to pull them in on the next volley, and then pull the groups in a little bit tighter after that even. But it shot like a dream. This is the carbine model of the Henry 22. It is the barrel length on this is just over 16 inches. Most barrel lengths on on the standard Henry 22, I believe, is 18 inches. Holds 13 in the tube. You can get 14 in it. It's tough, but you can. Comes with a large loop lever, of course, on this one. Weighs about 4.5 pounds, just like a 22. Very minimal muzzle kick. The action on it is very, very smooth. It's just it's a pleasure to shoot and pleasure to operate. Enjoy the vid, guys. It's got it out there. Don't laugh at me too hard on the first volley. That's all I got. See ya. Okay, guys, we are shooting the Henry 22. We're going to be shooting at 100 yards starting off, so hopefully this will pick that up pretty good. Let's see how it does. First time I've ever fired it, first round's going down range. See what we get. Nice short trigger throw. See if we can zoom in and see if I'm even hitting the damn thing. Man, I'm not even on the target. Where's it hitting? Okay. Let's back it up, try a different aim point. Take a walk, see what we got. Okay, well, I'm on paper, just can't see it from so far out. High and to the left just a little bit. So let's make just a small adjustment. See if that don't fix us. think that's it. That is it. All right, let's take a walk, see what we got this time. There, y'all are coming too. Okay, I'm still high. Look at this. Those are those last 8 shots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I'm still shooting high and to the left. Let's see if we can't get it down into the black. All right, let's see if we can get it dialed in now. I think I see where I messed up. Here we go. Clear. All right, let's go see what we got this time. Yeah, okay. I decided I wanted to aim the damn thing. Look at that. Good bunch here. Still shooting, still tending to shoot a little to the left. This group was good. This was the last part because I was purposely aiming over here. So we may have to do some windage adjustment on that just a little bit. You could see it hitting here. And then I literally was aiming about the 4 ring right here. And so it pulled it in for the last shots. All right, guys, Henry 22. It's accurate if I can just get accurate. All right, guys, that's all I got this time. See you later.